From above, Jamaica still holds her beauty, but she also carries her scars. Hurricane Melissa, one of the most destructive storms to strike the Caribbean in recent years, made landfall on this island paradise with winds that tore through towns and villages, leaving a trail of devastation. Through the eyes of our digital drone, we witness not just destruction, but determination. Every roof patched, every field replanted, every face lifted toward the sun is a testament to the unbreakable spirit of Jamaica. Just west of Kingston lies Portmore, a city known for its vibrant markets, sandy beaches, and close-knit neighborhoods. But after Hurricane Melissa, Portmore became one of the most affected areas. The storm battered its homes and left thousands displaced. Streets that once echoed with laughter are now lined with debris and temporary shelters. The population of nearly 180,000 has faced unimaginable loss, yet the spirit of unity has never been stronger. Male and female residents alike, teachers, fishermen, mothers, and students, all became first responders overnight. They waded through floodwaters to rescue neighbors, shared food when supply chains broke, and created makeshift clinics when hospitals overflowed. Jamaica's economy, already reliant on tourism and agriculture, took a sharp hit. Hotels closed, crops washed away, and small businesses struggled to reopen. But amid these challenges, the Jamaican people continue to redefine resilience. In times of crisis, heroes often appear in the form of everyday people. One organization that stands at the heart of recovery in Jamaica is Food for the Poor Jamaica, known by its website, foodforthepoor.org. Founded in 1982, Food for the Poor began with a simple mission: to serve the poorest of the poor. Over the decades, it has grown into one of the largest relief and development organizations in the Caribbean, focusing not only on emergency response, but also on long-term empowerment. Their work goes beyond food. It touches every aspect of survival and dignity. They build homes for the displaced, provide clean water systems, supply hospitals with critical equipment, and offer micro-enterprise support to help families rebuild their livelihoods. In the wake of Hurricane Melissa, Food for the Poor Jamaica mobilized swiftly. Within hours, trucks loaded with emergency food packages, hygiene kits, and tarpaulins rolled out to the hardest-hit areas like Portmore, St. Catherine, and St. Thomas. Volunteers, men and women from every walk of life, distributed supplies, prayed with families, and offered a message of faith and hope. Their partnerships with local churches, schools, and international donors made it possible to deliver thousands of meals and medical kits to communities cut off by floodwaters. From the chaos of the storm comes the calm of rebuilding. Jamaica reminds us that beauty is not found in perfection, but in perseverance. Each new sunrise over the Blue Mountains tells a story of faith, community, and love that cannot be washed away by wind or rain. To the rest of the world, this island stands not as a symbol of tragedy, but of triumph. A place where the rhythm of life plays on, in song, in laughter, in hope. If you wish to learn more or lend a helping hand, visit Food for Thursday State. And be part of the ongoing recovery that feeds both body and soul. Before we go, here are 5 things you might not have known about Jamaica. 1. Jamaica is the 3rd largest island in the Caribbean and home to nearly 3 million people, known for their warmth, creativity, and strength. 2. The island's motto, "Out of many, one people," reflects a proud blend of African, European, and Asian heritage. 3. Jamaica's economy depends heavily on tourism and agriculture, industries deeply affected by hurricanes, but also the first to rise again through community-driven rebuilding. 4. The island's disaster response systems have improved significantly through global partnerships, including organizations like Food for the Poor. 5. And finally, despite the devastation, Jamaica remains one of the most culturally influential nations in the world, exporting music, food, and spirit that inspire millions. Every storm leaves a mark, but every heart that helps leaves a light. Discover a new world with us, not just through travel, but through understanding. Subscribe, share, and stand with Jamaica as she rebuilds her tomorrow. Visit foodforthepoorja.org to support hurricane relief today.